This next session, powered by XM, will give you all the tips and tricks you need to unlock your full potential and succeed in your business. Our Tradepedia experts, founder and CEO of Avramis Despotis and Chief Instructor of Africa, Reino Deetlefs, will share their tips and tricks and strategies to succeed. Let's give a warm welcome also to our moderator, Chiara. The stage is yours.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing? Good,
Hello.
good. So before we jump in, I just quickly want to introduce everyone. My name's Chiara. I head up the social media for XM, South Africa. There we have Avramis, CEO and founder of Tradepedia, and Reino, the Chief Instructor of Africa. And we are here to unlock your full trading potential.
All right, awesome. Is this thing working? Yes. Okay, so hi guys. I will speak about my favorite subject, which is me. So my name is Avramis, okay? I have a bachelor's in economics, a master's in finance and banking, and all these nice things. I'm not going to bore you. I have a fund, which we are going to see in a minute. But before we continue, I would like to know why you guys are here. So why are you guys here? Do we have a mic going around? Sir? Yes. For more information, okay. So how about you, sir? Why are you here?
Hello, hello. Testing.
You'd like to learn from Reino, awesome. So to learn more, excellent, good guy. All right, so what other reason are you here for?
The gifts.
Someone dragged you here, or for the gifts, yes? Okay, so at the end we are going to do a Q&A, so I'm going to ask you some questions on what we covered, okay? And we are going to have a nice iPad and some other gifts for you, right? Okay, so pay attention and be good students. All right, so let's get this show on the road.
All right, so one of the main questions that people get when they open up a trading account is, what leverage should they choose? 1,000, 2,000, unlimited? What do you guys think about that?
Ooh, that's a very interesting question. Unlimited leverage, yes? Okay, that's a very interesting question. Right. So, okay, that's a very interesting, really, because it's very surprising to me. But anyway, let's first of all define leverage, right? So we've got some slides here for you guys. So what is really leverage? It's a loan provided by the broker for you to have more money, right? So let's say you can deposit, it can be 2 to 1, 10 to 1, 100 to 1, 1,000 to 1, and apparently unlimited, yes? Okay, very good. So if you deposit 10,000 in your account and you have a leverage of say 100 times, what does that mean? How much can you trade? Sorry, how much? 1 million, yes, that's awesome. And I am sure you know what happens when you leverage 100 times, yes? What happens? What happens, Reino?
You either make a lot of money or you blow your account, yes?
And what are you guys more used to? Very good, blowing the accounts, yes, because we forgot to ask the $1 million question. How many of you guys are making money from trading? Hands up.
Don't be shy.
Oh, nice. So why are you here?
To make even more.
All right, but now we'll ask the question a bit differently, yes? How many of you are losing money from trading? Hands up! All right, awesome. Very good. So, I mean, me and Reino have been trading for some time, okay? So, because we don't have much time, let me jump and show you here an account that is trading with low leverage, yes? Okay? So, this is actually our fund. It's a real account. It has $500 million under management, but that's not why I have it there, okay? So what I want you to see is that on average we make 15% a year, yes? Okay? Is that good? 15% a year.
I'll take 50.
What do you think? Yeah, you'll take that. Okay, and we were discussing it with Reino yesterday, and all is relative, right?
Yes, it is very relative. I mean, if you had $100 in your account, and I told you I can make you 15%, you wouldn't be that impressed, right? I mean, what's that, $15, right? But if you got $1 billion or $1 million, it's pretty good, right?
Okay, yes. So it all depends on the amount of money you have, right? But this one, I just want you to understand it related to the leverage, yes? This account is making 15% a year, okay? But why? And it's, by the way, it's algorithmic, it's ChatGPT for now that you know it, blah, 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 blah. But look at this. The interesting thing is that this account has an average leverage of 1.5 times, yes? Not 1,000 times, not unlimited for sure, yes? 1.5 times, yes? And the maximum leverage that this account used is 7 times, okay? So 7 times, and you make accordingly 15%, right? And the worst case we had was to lose 11% on this account. All right? So now, Reino, what happens if we take the same strategy and we increase the leverage?
Well, in theory, you should be making a lot more, right?
Well, and it's not in theory, it's actually in practice, yes, okay? Because this is another account, okay, that is also real, and it's using 8 times average leverage with a maximum leverage of 25 times, yes? And what has it achieved? It has achieved 100%, let's round it, in a year, yes? That starts to become a bit better, right? Okay, what do you think? Yes? You happy with 100%? Yeah? Especially given that the worst thing you had, the risk you had was 21 times, right? Okay? Now imagine if you, instead of leveraging 25 times, you leveraged 100 times, yes?
Yeah.
How much would you be making? 400%, right? Okay, up to there, we are good, right? But look, the maximum drawdown means the worst case we had. So if I use 4 times more leverage, my worst case becomes 80%, yes? I'm almost losing all my money, right? So if you use 2,000 times leverage, what's going to happen to you? Yeah, you know, margin call, tralala, and all these nice things, right? Is it clear? Let's not go to unlimited. All right. So this is what we are talking about leverage. The higher the leverage, the higher the risk. And tralala, yes? Okay? All right, very good. So I think this is it about leverage. Do you have any questions about it? All right, excellent. So what else do we have to discuss today?
Well, how can you make a 100% leverage with only 8 times average leverage?
Ooh, 100% return with 8 times leverage. That's a good feat, don't you think? Yeah, that's my account, by the way. Oops, and this chair is not good for me. Okay, so, but how can you actually make so much money? Because 100% is a really good return without using a lot of leverage. Reino, can you shed some light on that for us?
Well, one of the things that you can do is to use active trading. Okay, now active trading, what is it? It's basically, it's a style of trading where you open and close a lot of positions. It's kind of short term, and you're trying to capture the volatility in the market. Okay, to give you an example, if let's say on the daily time frame, I have gone long of gold. I bought gold at $2,000, okay, because my target is at 2,200. But that's my long-term trade. But on the hourly chart, in the interim, I see that gold spikes up $50. It is overbought. What do? I close the whole position. I wait for gold to drop $20, and I reopen the same position, right? Meaning that I have captured that $20, and I continue with the same trade. So this way, I mean, you are also using leverage kind of in a good way, because think about it. If you open up 10 trades, and each trade you are leveraging 10 to 1, theoretically you're using 100 to 1 leverage, right? So this way you are making small profits while still, you know, trading your way towards your goal. And I mean, there's many ways to go about doing it, right? It doesn't matter what the method is, but the main thing, how we can still negate leverage, is what?
Negate leverage. Well, you just said it, yes? We open and close more times, yes? And this has the advantage of also doing something else, controlling your risk, yes?
Yes,
okay.
exactly.
It makes it easier for you to control your risk. So, shall we talk about that?
There's a lot of debates on whether or not, like, what elements you need to have as a trader to become successful. In your opinion, what factors do you need to have as a trader to become successful?
Well, I think most successful traders, and we got a couple here, right? We had like 5 hands up here who's making money.
Yeah.
Most of them agree that in order to be a successful trader, you need 3 things. Okay, you need a method, which is basically the system that tells you when to buy, when to sell, what to buy, what to sell. Right? It could be 2 birds on a stick. It could be fundamentals. It could be technicals. It could be gut feeling. Right? And then we got money management. Money management, for me, being the most important part of all the elements. And this is controlling your risk towards the market.
I thought you studied psychology, eh?
We are getting to that, okay? And the third element is trader psychology, and this is controlling or having the right mental approach when it comes to trading. You know, taking control of that crazy voice in the back of your mind, the subconscious that tells you not to put a stop loss, because last time you put a stop loss, the market came down, hit it, and it went up, and you guys would say, yeah, stupid broker. Yes?
It's very interesting. Sorry to interrupt. How many of you use stop losses when you trade? Hands up. Okay, nice. But let me ask the question a bit differently. Every time you trade. No hands up now, huh? So you have to use a stop loss every time, yes? Because the one time you don't use, you know what happens, right?
Yes. So
you know it very well.
So those are the 3 elements, and Avramis was saying, yes, but I studied psychology, right? And I do have a degree in it, and I do think psychology plays a big role, but the main one that I have noticed that makes a trader successful, it is money management, okay? It is controlling your risk, it is controlling your account, because let's put it into perspective. I mean, when it comes to trading, there's no 100% method, right? There's no method out there that is 100% correct. Therefore, you need to apply good money management, right? I don't know any trader that is 100%. So, I mean, when you think about it, when you are the trader, I mean, you're running your own business. You are the accountant, you are the CEO, you are the trader, you are everything. And every business needs an accountant. So when it comes to money management, the 3 big elements is, you know, how big should I trade? Okay, how much money am I putting into this position? Am I using 100,000 euros, 10,000 euros? The next thing is using a stop loss, because like Avramis said, how can you apply money management if you don't use a stop loss? And then thirdly is having the correct position size, or knowing according to your personality how much money should you be risking. Should you be risking 1%, 5%, everything on one trade?
Yes, of course.
So
right? Everything on one trade, yeah?
I know, right? But this is also very subjective.
No? You disagree? No? So how much do you think is the right amount to risk? You have 1%? 1%? Only? So you are 100% accurate?
I'm a top chartered accountant in South Africa, so he spoke of accounting. So I've made Mercedes-Benz and all these top listed companies to make billions.
That's not what I asked you.
I'm telling
you 100% accurate in your trading?
How do you become accurate? You have to know.
No. I'm not asking for a speech. I'm asking for a yes, no.
I'm not going to answer then that
Yes,
one.
you don't
Because now you're limiting the framework.
I'm not 100% accurate.
I am 100% accurate, yes.
Oh, awesome. Let's have a talk when we finish, yes? All right, excellent. Thank you very much. All right, very good.
Sure.
And you have an account like mine to show, right? All right, we'll speak later. All right, awesome. Sorry, so we were saying how to calculate the amount to trade, right?
Yes, so, when this is one of the easiest things to kind of, even if you use a lot of leverage, trading the right amount or the right size is going to kind of protect you from the leverage that you are using, right? So what do I mean by this? So position sizing, it is the amount of money that you are employing in the position, meaning should I be trading 1 lot, 10 lots, half a lot, in order to risk a certain amount. So when it comes to position sizing, you need two things, okay? You need a stop loss, first of all, and you need an entry, right? And you need an amount that you want to risk. Okay, so we got an example here, and we don't really need to have a look at the example, but in this example, you would take the difference between the entry and the stop loss, what you are risking on the trade, and you're trying to come up with the lot size that you should be trading in order to only risk a certain amount. That way, you don't marry a trade. One trade doesn't become more important than the next trade, right? You won't have that impulsive urge to add to the losing trade because it doesn't matter, right? They all are the same. So in a way, coming back to your question about psychology, money management takes care of some of the emotions, the fear and the greed, because if you know what you can lose on the trade, you're not scared, right? You're not going to add to it. You're not going to move your stop loss. You're not going to do crazy things. Right?
Reino?
Yes.
What makes or breaks a trade, in your opinion?
Well, money management.
What is money management?
We just went through it. It's the art of limiting the risk and increasing your profits. And by the way, there's no job out there where you have limited risk and unlimited potential. Okay? That is trading.
Yeah, that's definitely trading. All right, awesome. So,
how can we make this easier?
I don't know. I'm thinking, what do the clients say? We've spoken to many people, obviously 100% accurate trader here, but most of us who are not 100%, how do you think we should handle this? No, don't. So,
I think we should ask a question.
Okay, so many people say that, I have my family, I don't have time to trade, I'm working, so how can I do all these analyses and all these things? So what did you want to say, Reino?
I said don't get married.
Yes,
Don't get
that's
married,
the best thing to do. You are not married, are you?
Not yet.
So that's the best thing to do, yes? So it's not an excuse, however. Yes, I don't have time, blah, blah, blah. I've heard it from everyone out there, yes? I mean, I lost because at the time that I had my position, load shedding started, the internet went down, and by the time it came back, I lost everything, yes? Okay, it's not my fault, it's the load shedding fault, right? Okay. Now, before we go into that, I wanted to touch on what you said there, the 1%, yes? Okay, let's think about that. But the answer to how you can do it, guys, is very simple. You have to use automated tools, yes? Okay? Use tools to help you analyze the market, right? Use tools to help you control your risk, yes? And of course, these are all tools that I have created and we give them out with XM to our clients, yes? But I will show you my favorite tool of all. You know what it is? It's not the method, it's not the swing that generates the signals. That's there, but it's not that. It's what Reino said. The key to making money, the key to making 100% every year with only 25 times leverage, yes, is money management, yes? Okay? But it's to control your risk, and we have created this nice little tool that we can give to you, okay, to help you control your risk, right? Okay? So it's doing the calculation for you. It's telling you this is the entry, this is the stop, this is how much you want to do, yes? Now this account here is risking how much? 0.2% every time it trades, yes? And this is actually the account who made 100% in a year, risking only 0.2% per trade, yes? But you know, there's a thing. I hear many people say, 1%, we risk 1%, yes? And then what do? You risk 1%, and then what do? No, you open 2,000 trades, okay? So if you are risking 1% on every trade and you open 100 trades, how much are you risking?
Everything.
You are risking 100%, yes? So it's not enough to say I'm risking 1% on a single trade, yes? What is the key is to manage the total risk of your portfolio, yes? Okay? So to manage the total risk, and this is what this tool is doing. Of course, we don't have time to explain it to you, but Reino will definitely be glad to show it to you in one of the XM sessions that we do or the education centers that we have here, yes? Okay? Yes? Question?
Wait. So we can hear you.
Where do you get this tool to calculate your risk?
Where you get this tool?
Yeah, like this.
Okay, so we'll answer this. You can come to booth 20, the XM booth, okay? And they will tell you how you can learn about it first, yes? And then how to get it, okay? Any other questions?
This mic is not working properly.
Good day, fellow panelists. I just wanted to know, out of 100%, how accurate is the tool?
Sorry?
Out of 100%, how accurate is this tool?
Okay, this is a very interesting question. So you are more interested in how accurate it is and not that it's making money, right? Lovely. I have a method that I can sell to you. By the way, to close that one is accurate 60%, yes? Okay, because of active trading. But I have another tool that is 99% accurate, yes? And I will sell it to you. And I am so sure it's 99% accurate you will pay me 1 million rand, and I will put 2 million rand in any bank you want as a guarantee. If the method is not 99% accurate, you get 2 million rand. What about that? Do you accept? Huh? Do you accept? Anyone wants to do it? It's a done deal. If it's not 99%, you will double your money. What do you think? Yes? You want to do it? Okay, awesome. It's yours. The problem is, you bought a method that is 99% accurate that loses because the 99 times it makes $1, and the one time it loses 1,000. But they are telling me that I should finish, so we now have to give some gifts, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so we need to ask them a question. What shall we, are you coming up? What shall we ask them? Okay, so who can help us with the gifts? Yes, okay, excellent, very good. So let's give her a hand. All right, so I think, is that working? Can we borrow that? Okay, awesome. There you go.
Hello everyone, how's everybody doing? Are you good? How was the session? Excellent. Are you all going to win some gifts today? Okay, great. So we are going to be giving away 3 gifts. So one is $100. Second prize is, third prize is $100. Second is $200, and the major gift is, of course, an iPad. So Avramis will be asking the questions. Just hope that you'll be the lucky winner. Okay, ready?
Okay, so what's the first prize?
Third prize is $100.
For
Who wants
$100, we will ask, okay, what is more important in trading? Method, money management, or psychology? Reino, you pick the one who's going to answer for me.
This man here.
Where?
Guy with the New York cap?
Here?
Yes?
Yes?
Money management.
Is that correct? Yes, let's give him a hand.
$100.
Congrats.
All right, very good.
Awesome, $100 for you.
Ooh, where is it? Hang on, I'll get
We don't have it with us.
Oh yes, picture, sorry, I couldn't resist not taking my picture. Awesome, thank you. So you'll get it from booth 20, yes? All right, next prize.
Bravo. So second prize is $200. Who wants $200? So are you ready to answer the next question? Okay.
Okay, so what's the next question? Okay, I go one. How much leverage do you need to make 100% in a year? This guy there. Yeah, no, there.
25%.
25%, 25 times. 25 times, okay, we'll give it to him. Bravo, very good.
Come through.
Okay, and we come up to take a picture. Yes, let's go. My favorite part. Okay. Make me look thin, please. Okay, awesome. And we have 20 seconds for the last prize. Yes? Okay.
Okay, guys. So now we've got the final prize, the prize number 1, which is the iPad. Who wants an iPad? Oh, everybody wants an iPad.
All right,
okay,
good.
so you have to get this right.
Okay, 6 seconds, 5 seconds. Let's get up. So who is the best Forex broker? I was hoping for a competitor to say something else so I could tell him no. Damn. Okay. All right, so everyone got the right answer. So we need to ask another question very quickly, yes? Okay, so who is the best educator? Okay, I'm going to close my eyes. 1, 2, 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4th person. Okay, it's that guy there.
Avramis.
Okay, close enough. Avramis and Tradepedia. Very good. Let's give him a hand. Please come up.
Come through, come through.
Okay, you quickly
And he is an XM client as well, so that's pretty good.
Ooh, awesome. Okay, oh, picture. Take it, Ray. Excellent. Thank you very much, guys. And if you have any questions about what we cover, because they are kicking us out from here, we are in booth 20, okay? I'll be there for the next 15 minutes. Come and find me, okay? Excellent. Thank you very much.